Google served me the greatest heartbreak. In fact, serious hot breakfast on 18th of this month, which is Sunday. An account I've listed for 2 years ago was suspended without no prior notice, nothing. So I don't have any choice than to appeal for it. So I opened the email, I saw you see it here. So I had to just appeal for the business to be reinstated back. So I click on the appeal button, which will take me to the next page where I'll do the necessary thing. The first thing is for me to confirm my account, which I'll confirm here. After confirming the account, they'll ask me to select the date. So I select the date, which is 18th of May. So I have to confirm that one as to continue. So I click continue. Then they'll ask me to submit evidence. So I'll click on submit. That's where I'll submit the evidence of the business. So what I need to do here is just to click on add evidence, which will take me to where I will now submit the company's maybe document, CAC certificate, all necessary documents. And make sure that every details about the business is accurate. Now go ahead and start uploading them one after the other. I'll first upload the CAC certificate, which I've already gotten from the client. The most important document is the CAC certificate. But if you have other documents which are government approved, you can collect it from your client. So like this one, I've collected some document from my client, which I'll also use to prove that the business is legit and they should allow it to, the profile to be reinstated. So there now, I'm going to upload that one also as a proof of the business existence. So, but make sure that you follow the instruction. The name on the business profile should be the name on the sales certificate, should be the name on any document you want to submit. If you want to submit maybe let's say utility bill, that utility bill must carry every details about the business. The name, the address must be accurate. So make sure that all these things are accurate. The next thing to do is just to select no at the place they are asking you if you are requesting for the instatement for more than 10 profile. Just select no. Now what you will now do is to take your time and write to them why the business is legit. Here, I have taken my time. I wrote everything about the business. In fact, I included all their social media handles, their website. That's what I did. So make sure that everything you want to write there are things that are accurate. If the business has changed their location, tell them that the business has relocated. If the business has any updates, put it there. Anything you know that okay can be of benefit to the profile, make sure to include them. If you want me to help you list your business on Google, help you verify your business profile and help you optimize it so that customers can quickly see it on Google, kindly message me via the number you are seeing on the screen or click on the link in the description so that you can chat me on WhatsApp. So as I'm saying, make sure that all the details you are putting is very accurate. So I'm going to pause this video here, then I'm come back and I'll show you how I've written everything. So now as you can see, I've written all the details about the business. So all I just do is just to go to their website and confirm the details I put there. This is a website I designed for them. If you need a web designer that will help you design your website, kindly send me a DM via the number you are seeing on the screen on WhatsApp or click on the link in the description. So I'm checking their website to see if there's anything I missed so that I can include it to the message I want to send to Google so that everything will be accurate. I don't want a situation whereby they will tell me that there's something missing. So I want to ensure that yes, what I am sending to them is accurate so that they will not have any reason to say they will not verify the business. Everything I'm doing, I'm making sure that it is very accurate so that I know that it is there. There's no way they are going to tell me that they are not going to verify it. So they will not even have any reason to tell me that okay, with this business we are not going to restate it back. No, that's why I'm taking my time to make sure that everything is well done. So once I checked everything and see that okay, everything is done, I'm going to click on submit. So this one I will now send the email to Google that okay, this has been done. So as you can see, your email has been sent. So this has been done. What I will now do next is just to take a screenshot of this and send it to my client that okay, I have submitted a reinstatement request to Google, which I believe that in the next 4 days they are going to reinstate it. After that, everything has been done. All you need to do is just to wait for them to reinstate the profile, which they will do, I believe, in the next 4 or 5 days, and they will send you email. This month alone, I have reinstated 4 Google Business Profile that has been suspended. As you can see in my email here, I've reinstated 4, and both are all live, doing perfectly. This month alone also, I have listed and verified more than 20 Google Business Profiles which are actively working. If you find this video valuable, kindly like, subscribe to my YouTube channel and share with your family and friends. Also, if you are a business owner struggling to grow your Google Business Profile, click the link in the description to book a one-on-one consultation with me where I'll be teaching you everything you need to do to grow your Google Business Profile. In this one-on-one training, it's going to be live. Me and you, I'll teach you everything you need to do to grow your business, to get more clients, to optimize your profile so that customers can be able to see your business online. So thank you so much. If you find this video helpful, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel I really appreciate everybody. See you in my next video. Thank you.